Now we have to take the shifter out, and I'll show you how to do that. There's going to be some little brackets here to hold the cable in. There's little end pieces here that you take the cables out, and then there's 4 10mm bolts around the perimeter of this housing that you take out to remove the entire shifter. And then we can go upstairs and assemble the new kit. And I'll show you what I'm working with. We'll bring it back down, we'll install it, we'll adjust it, and then we'll test it. And then next month or something I'll do the cables. But for now we're just doing the shift kit. And I'll let you guys know what I think. This other one that loose, you gotta push in. You might, I don't want to use a tool and break it, but you might want to use needle nose pliers or something, get in there and squeeze these in, and then it slides up like that. But I'm pretty strong, I have a can, so you might want to use, okay, and now this is, you're going to push all the way in and rotate it clockwise. You push all the way in on this thing, and then rotate it, and it locks into place. And that will allow you to remove this cable end here. And then you just slide it out like so, ding ding. And the same with the other one. Push it all the way in, rotate it to the right, it will lock into place, and then you will free up the end of the shift cable. See, and now these are loose. Ding dong. I'm gonna reuse these. I'm gonna reuse these. It's in neutral, it's fine. For now, and then I'm going to change them later. So now it's 4 10mm bolts around the periphery, and it comes out. So that's it. I'm going to put these in my little ashtray with everything else, so that everything is together and everything is still in the car, so I'm not looking around the shop for it. And, this is the L-shaped spanner. A lot of people ask me, what is that tool? It's called an L-shaped spanner, and they are indispensable in many applications. So I have a bunch of them. I love them. Tiny bit expensive, but they're worth it. So, as much as I like to work on cars and other things, I always make sure I have the best tools available. So, that is what I recommend. Good tools and the right tool for the job will help. I probably should be using a ratchet. They say you should be using a ratchet and a little cordless electric battery operated impact. And you're probably right, but I'm too lazy to get up and go over there 10 feet in that cabinet and get it. So I'm just struggling. I think I'm gonna go get it though, because some of these they stay tight even after you loosen them. So I'm like, man, you know what? I'm gonna go get it. Are these 10mm? Yeah. Yeah, they're 10mm. Just double checking. And then I'm going to use my little, they're still on top of it, my little magnet. If I can find it. Well, let me see. Maybe these come off. There we go. Look at that. And we have the little shift unit. Ta-da! So now let's go up and I'll show you what I plan to do. Well, man, every time I do a job that goes a little deeper into the center console, I end up excavating more money. I don't know how much money there is in this center console. It's like, I hope I take a quarter panel off and find bundles of $100 bills, because it's just like a money car. Just money. Every single time there's gobs and gobs of money. And I don't get it. It's hilarious.